You're my little nurse. I'm stood here longer than normal. Pain relief. Echo. Echo, echo. Gonna have your yogurt drop. There's a blueberry. Good night then. You see, won't come and see me. You won't come and see me, so I'll make a pyramid then. Since you won't climb up on the bridge, you want a pyramid instead. Cheesy design. Bye-bye. Good night. I'll see you next time. For the new season, I managed to close the pipe that was here, which he used to be stuck in. He refused to come out. He was extremely shy. So no more pipe. You have holes. You have holes instead.